Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can delete a post on Facebook. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Facebook and then go to the right top corner to the menu and click on your profile or see your profile. Scroll down below and you're gonna see like the posts here, and here you want to simply click on the three dots and then you can simply click delete. You can edit if you just need to change something, and you can simply delete. So that's pretty much it how you do it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.